What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, have you ever imagined about a burger that was made from the diamonds and also golds? How is that possible? And what if we make it into the picture? Yes, we can, guys. In this video, I'd like to share you how to create this picture of a burger. And as you can see, it's kind of the majestic burger or super luxurious burger that made from the gold and also a lot of sparkly diamonds all over this burger. How to create this picture? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use to generate or create this picture is this Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email, and don't worry because you can also create this picture into your another AI platform such as the Gemini AI, Dreamina AI, or maybe the Quen AI, and a lot of tools out there. And will be the home page of this Google AI Studio, and you can continue to choose the Try Nano Banana, and you can put the prompt into this section. And for example, I will put the picture 2 as the description. A luxurious hamburger crafted entirely from the glittering gold and sparkling diamonds, and also featuring a top bun, patty, and bottom bun encrusted with the numerous small and brilliant diamonds. And also the details of the burger, such as the lettuce, cheese, and sesame seed, are also made of the highly polished gold and giving it a rich and opulent appearance against a warm, softly lit and dark background. So this will be the prompt we will use, and don't worry because you can copy it from the description box or give it the screenshot of it. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before. However, by this same prompt, you can also have the possibility to get a little bit different look. Maybe the angle or the look, or maybe the details like this. And if you would like to have another picture, you can start to click rerun in this section or this section, and kindly wait for the another output. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.